Taking a posture that allows you to be at ease, yet alert. Simply notice sound. Sound is a vibration that propagates an acoustic wave through gas or liquid or solid. Sound is simply something you perceive as that wave contacts your ear and that energy is transmitted into your brain by electric impulse. Some sound we hear, some sound we can't hear. Notice your wanting to categorize sound as noise, as unwanted, or as pleasant or wanted. And that categorization takes you away from simply noticing sound as it is. And now, as you transition back to the rest of your day, remember that you can notice sound not by category, simply as the basic science of a wave being communicated to your brain.